Hello friends, today I am with a new video in front of you to share my views on comparison between All India Round 1 and DNB Round 1 seats allotment for all those who qualified NEET PG 2020. So first of all I like to congratulate all of the students who qualified for the DNB Round 1 seats and many amazing results I see this time and just want to compare between the All India Round 1 and DNB Round 1 seats. So this is the presentation. Here I compare with you something very important that many of the students wants to create options for them by occupying the seat of DNB. In spite they are getting very good branch in All India Round 1, but in spite of that they will opt for DNB either for the option basis or maybe they want to block the seats. So I compare, if you see 802 rank, this student is already having radio diagnosis, sorry, general medicine in Jamnagar Medical College, but here he get radio diagnosis in the DNB. So in this way, if you carefully observe, then the rank 1, that is having 689 rank, is already getting the radio diagnosis seat in Government Medical College Surat, but here in DNB he or she will get the Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital and Medical Research Institute. So here I think whatever his or her opinion is, but our common opinion must be that he or she will opt for the radio diagnosis from Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital. So in this way, I just calculate roughly, then what I get, that approximately 800 to 850 students in this whole sheet, they already get good branch in All India Round 1 counseling session, but in spite of that they will go for DNB counseling and will get the desired result or undesired result, I don't know, but they are fighting also. So many of the students are thinking, even in my opinion, before the result of counseling, that the result of counseling must go at least up to 30-35,000 rank, but the picture is entirely different due to this behavior of the student. I don't know what they want to prove, but this is the real picture. If you carefully observe, again we are on the 40th serial number, having a rank of 1472. You are radio diagnosis got from Narayana Hridayalaya Hospital, Bangalore, and he or she will also get allotted the Agartala Government Medical College, GB Pant Hospital radio diagnosis. So again, one seat is going to be vacant here. In this way, many clinical seats, approximately I already mentioned, approximately 850 clinical seats are going to be vacant, either these students will go towards DNB or they will stay with round 1 allotment. It's totally up to them. So at this particular time, we can just draw an assumption that 850 seats at least, if they are occupying, then in my opinion, approximately 550 to 600 students will going to join the hospitals allotted through DNB. So naturally, approximately 550 to 600 seats from All India round 1 will go to All India round 2 and will be available for the next set of students who are waiting for their allotment. So this is the picture I want to focus for all of you. But in this thing, the student who will hold the patience till end, even till the mop up rounds, surely get the best seat which he or she will not even assume. So have faith in yourself, my dear friends, because many of the students will go to state also. Approximately, suppose if we take near about 4,000 seats for the students who are going in state, then 4,000 plus 550 or 600 seats of this common DNB and All India round 1 students. So approximately 4,000 to 5,000 seats will vacate in All India round 2 session. This is, I think, will be the very good news for all those who are waiting for their allotment. So this is the complete list I want to share with you. Better go through it. This is my assumption. You will draw your assumption, because at this point of time only assumptions can be made, but on the basis of the facts. So this is the real fact I want to share with you. At the end of this list, if you carefully observe, then some non-clinical branches are allotted in All India round 1 session to the students. I think they will go definitely for DNB, because they will know that they are getting only the non-clinical branches through All India, so they will definitely go for the DNB. The good thing is that, my dear friends, that round 2 of everything is left with us, either of the states, either of DNB, and of course of All India round 2. So by this you can assume that you will fall in comfort zone or not. Accordingly, you may start your preparation for the next year if you feel that you are not in the comfortable zone, because nobody is assuming this type of result from DNB round 1, but the fact is here. So better go through it. I'm just want to share the complete list with you, or you can easily follow the link which is showing in the upper side. So my friends, this is the complete story of the comparison. I'm just scrolling the list so that you people will got the complete idea that what is going to be happen. See, I just want to show one picture that with a serial number of 959 having rank of 8081, this person is getting the general medicine seat of DNB from Miraz, Maharashtra, but from All India, he or she is getting the tropical medicine. So this is the shift. I think this is the shift, or maybe in the state. I think you people are going my point. So that's all from this. I'm just scrolling so that you can clearly access the things for you, because your every decision is making a great difference for you and for the next set of the students. For more detailed, you can follow the link also. So this is the basic story. Thank you.